Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about POGS and I'm going to insert some clips of the package I ordered. We actually received over 800 POGS. This is just what we kept. Now keep in mind we got rid of a lot, maybe almost half of them I gave to a friend at work who was really excited when I mentioned POGS. So I'm gonna kind of just show you guys what we got and then we're gonna play some POGS. Yeah, the package was insane. These are the ones that I picked out. I picked out 3 slammers. I kept the little holder, which I thought was super cute. And these are all the ones that I thought were epic enough for me to keep. I just have to point out, I have a Jeff Goldblum and I'm very excited about that. Also, a couple of my favorites. This one is killing me. It says, "Listen to me, Sam. Pog is where it's at." So this is definitely a truly 90s game. If you didn't play Pogs, look, I got Power Ranger, then you really missed out. I had so much fun and it was like riding a bike. Once we started kind of playing, I remembered and yeah, I'm pretty good. Just spoiler alert. So you kind of make up your own rules, honestly. Some people were very strict with them. Other people just kind of made them up as you go. But I definitely wanted to show you guys my epic POG collection. I have a squirrel. I don't know, I love these. And I picked out a lot of these little zombie ones. Tommy Tomb. I got Classical Decomposer. Death Warmed Over. These are funny. Jolly Roger. So many good ones. It's unbelievable. And the Power Rangers were definitely some favorites. I got a lot of Lion King ones. I got Bonsai. And a lot of these you can see where they came from. This came out of a box of Chex. I have a lot that came from Taco Bell actually. These gave you like a little blurbs about what the animal was and some details about them, which I think is really cool. But I don't know, I'm just so stoked to have these and it really brought back so many childhood memories. Over on this side are all the ones that Zach picked out. So on his side there's a lot of crazy things here. We could spend all day. I really like the little alien dude one. I think that one's really cool. It's another alien dude. So again, just like on and on and on, so many POGs. And I paid about $30 for the package of over 800. I think it was around 820 or 830 POGs. And yeah, I think it was well worth it. It was just so reminiscent of my childhood and I don't know. I love them. I'm stoked to have them. We're going to play some POGs. And you guys, let me know right now. Pause the video in the comments below. Let me know who you think is going to win, because we're going to see what the competition's like. So there's my POG collection. Yee. All right, let's jump into some POG play. Oh, look at the porpoise. I used the porpoise. I'm using some Rita Repulsa over here. My pink skull and crossbones. I'm going to use the armadillo. I was about to say armadillo restaurant. I'm going to use another Power Rangers. I use a Looney Tunes one. These are my POGs that I'm not using, but look at my POGs. Sally. Could you not? Heads or tails?
Heads.
Oh, I go first. Alright, let's make sure we're stacked evenly. Damn it! Oh, that's gonna be so easy now. Yep. You got one.
That's mine too.
Bitch!
Look at that, look at that.
You got those. Ready? Oh, I got 2.
This is gonna suck.
Well, I've already gotten 10.
That means that I would get 10.
No, it would be whoever got that, but
Well, then go ahead.
next to impossible, dude.
No. Well, if I got that, then
We'd be 10 and 10 tied. So as of right now, we always called it when it went down to 1 as whoever had more, because that's good luck. You can try, but you're just trying to tie.
Yeah, it ain't flipping because there's nothing else there. So I guess
2 out of 3?
sure. Since you cheated.
I didn't cheat.
Since you weighted your pogs way more than that.
Bruh.
I feel like your pogs are thicker than mine, therefore mine are just more flimsy and fly in the air.
Not at all. Okay, so I won 1. I got 10, he got 9. Let's flip again. We used the pumpkin one this one time. Heads or tails?
Tails.
All right, you go first. Stack.
You got nothing.
I don't like this game. That's some bullshit, actually.
I only got 3.
Are any of them face up?
Just 1.
There's one that went over there.
Oh, that one's face up too. All right. Boom! Yes!
How many do you have?
10.
I need to get this entire stack flipped in order to
But you
win.
could. Well, in order to tie.
In order to tie.
Maybe we should have done an odd number.
We probably should have.
Okay.
Oh! Oh! Nope, nope, nope. Alright, so there's 3 there. If you get one of these, game over.
Right. Shit.
I have a chance. Got a freaking chance.
A chance to tie.
You're damn right a chance to tie, not lose.
Ah, Jesus.
And imagine if we had these.
That one came out of a checks box.
If we had these.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do nothing. That did nothing. Now we're just beating up the coffee table.
It's a good thing the coffee table's made of nice wood.
Wow, I'm doing nothing over here. Don't get overzealous with your 1. Still only got 8.
I got 1. I got 1.
Does not count.
It was an accident. It's not like you did it on purpose.
You went.
You want to watch it back?
I'm not stopping that. Try again.
Thank you.
I'll give you a do-over. But you're just doing like this. You have to slam it. Like that, but better.
That one was not even remotely close.
I don't know. Okay, at this point, I don't even know how to get that.
Wonder. I would have given that to you if it had flipped.
Well, yeah, because I actually slammed it. Instead of you going, ping.
Ping.
Okay, this is getting annoying.
That's better. That was better.
It was a try.
Yeah, I think you won. Game over.
I got it?
Game over. Yep.
You want to play the 3rd round or no? You defeated.
Yeah, because like that was a tie and a win. So technically we're 1-0-1.
No, I won both times.
No, you didn't.
I had 10 and you had 9.
Lies.
And now I have
Maybe
11.
we should have done an even number or an odd number.
Okay, this time we can just add some.
Do you want to go big odd number or little odd number?
I just like add 3.
Which would, yeah.
13. I'll just put 3 in. Unicorn, eagle, and orangutan. Is that an orangutan?
Yes.
Heads or tails?
Iron Kids bread. What?
Heads or tails?
Tails.
Heads. Choice. What? We got 1? How? And how did that even flip?
You may have actually had that flipped before you put it in the pile.
Did I?
I don't know.
I don't think I did. Did I?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
All right. That's awesome. Yes!
Is that one flipped? Yeah.
Bruh. Did any of them flip? Ah,
Yeah.
one.
Unicorn dream.
Jesus.
That was better.
These are not wanting to flip this time. Look at that. Some of them flipped and then flipped again.
I did 360s. What are you doing, Sally?
Who is that?
Skull.
Well.
That was kind of cheating because you did a double hit.
No, I did not.
It went boom boom. Tap POGS.
It left my hand once.
Boom boom.
Oh, seriously? That felt like a nothing. Ho!
Yeah, I'm done. I can't win. There's
Wait, what? Oh, I put 3, so it's 23. I have 13.
Yeah, I can't win. That's it. That's game.
I won!
I just was over here. Sorry. I was trying to do an outro. I was gonna red off, but where'd he go? Where's that? Where's his like? Oh, you got his later. You bitch.